All right, welcome. Today, my teaching is taking another dimension, and that dimension is on the reason why every self publisher on Amazon KDP or other platforms should have a YouTube channel or Facebook page. We are going to discuss why that is very important in this video. I think about 2 years ago or a year ago, a YouTube content creator here called Ali Abdal published a book he called Feel Good Productivity or so, something like that. All right. And when he published that book, he shared the links on his community, and that book got massive sales. A lot. Ali Abdal made a lot of money from that book because he has over a million subscribers on his YouTube channel. All right, so it was a very good move for him. He started from here on YouTube and became an author. All right, he has written some books, but you can see now because he has a strong community who was able to make a lot of money. In your own case, you may not start with 1 million subscribers, but you start small. And then from that small number, you are still going to get some sales. All right. So let's start with the reason one, number one, why you need a YouTube channel or a Facebook page. All right. One is to drive more sales. Yes. If you're a self publisher on KDP and you have a YouTube channel just like me, where you teach something related to what you publish on KDP, sometimes you may write a book and then you make a video about it, explaining the contents of that book and why people that watch that particular video should go and get that book. If you have a faithful member of your community, he or she is like to go and make purchase of that book. I have tried that before. I got a couple of sales on my book I published on Amazon KDP, and the traffic was driven from here to Amazon.com. All right, so I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so when you have a YouTube channel and grow that YouTube channel with time, whether you have 1,000 subscribers or less than 1,000 subscribers, so far what you're doing here is making sense, is value. You are likely to earn extra money when you talk to people about your product, which is book in this case, and encourage them to go to Amazon and purchase that book and give them reasons why they should do that. All right. So this is another arm through which you can make more money as a self-publisher. All right. Whether you're growing your YouTube channel or you're growing your Facebook channel or a Facebook page or you're growing both. All right. I started from YouTube, and in December 2024, which happens to be last month, I decided growing a Facebook page. All right. So when I have community here, I have community on Facebook. I'm likely to make extra sales when I publish a new book and share it with my audience. Another reason why every self publisher needs this channel, YouTube channel, or Facebook page is for building of trust. Take, for example, I'm a real estate expert and I talk about real estate on my YouTube channel. Tell people why they need to invest in real estate, what to consider before you invest in any real estate project, how to buy homes, the conditions to consider or the factors to consider before you buy any house in United States or United Kingdom or in Nigeria. Now I'm offering value to people through my videos. And at a point, I become an authority in that particular niche. If I publish a book on Amazon KDP, self published, and I share the link to that book on my community, all right, on YouTube or on Facebook page, and tell people to go and learn more detail about how to make good choices in terms of real estate. All right, maybe I will target real estate for beginners or real estate for novices. All right, people are likely to go and purchase that book because they know that it's coming from someone that is authority in that area. All right. So it's another way of building trust. Okay, someone like me, I talk about tech most times on this YouTube channel. I tell you how to use your computer. I tell you how to use your phone. I tell you how to use some software. If I have a book on software, which I'm working on right now, all right, before the end of this month, it should be out. I'm collaborating with another author. After I publish that book and I tell people, this is my new book on so and so area, this is what is contained in it, and it's in line with what I teach on this YouTube channel, people are likely to go and buy it because they have seen that this guy is good in this area. So there's no reason why they shouldn't go and do what and make that purchase. So you build trust when you have a YouTube channel, and in building that trust, you make money. Even if that book is written under a different pen name, all right? You can tell them, I'm the pen name, I'm the owner of this pen name. Go to Amazon, purchase this book. These are the few contents. These are the reasons why you need to buy this book because it will help you become better in tech, or it will help you become better in real estate, or it will help you become better in making good meals. All right. So, no matter the niche you're into, just pass your message, and one or two persons are likely to get that because they have trust in you. See, of a truth is that seeing is believing, all right? Seeing is believing. Because when you recommend a book for someone to go and buy, your books for someone to go and buy, the person, there's this connection you establish when you talk to people and they see you visually. All right. They'll know that, okay, I know this guy, I know this author, I know her. Yeah, I've seen him on Facebook, I've seen her on Facebook. So why will I not go and buy his book since I've seen what he teaches? So it builds trust because it's no longer that name. Do I know this guy? Are you sure he has something valuable to offer? But see, he has been seeing you live on video. All right. And he's likely to be moved to go and purchase that book. Another reason is promotion. Yes, we self-publishers most time run ads on Amazon because we want to get more sales. All right, so we want to make more sales. We want people more eyeballs to see our book and purchase. All right, that's the first thing for more eyeballs to see your book. Another thing is for them to make move and purchase that book. All right, but if you have a big platform or even a small platform, just like YouTube channel or a Facebook page, you can use that to still market your product. You can use it to market your product, showcase your product to the world. Let them know. And YouTube is a big brand. Likewise, Facebook is a big brand. So they are ranked high even in Google search engine. So you stand a chance to benefit more as you market your products to the people. Another reason why someone who is a self-publisher needs a YouTube channel or a Facebook page is to earn extra revenue outside Amazon KDP, self-publishing. Yes. Because as a person that has a YouTube channel, I teach some things I have in my book. And because I'm a monetized YouTube channel, I make money from this every month. Last month I did about $94. Last 2 months I did about over $100. You see, by the time the one from self-publishing comes in, the one from here comes in, I join everything together. It becomes something reasonable. So you need a YouTube channel to still do what? Earn more money. All right. Another reason why you need that is because it's will help you to get involved in affiliate marketing. Yes, having a brand, a good brand, is very important. By the time people start trusting you and start having faith in you that you can do something, that you know what you're doing, and you recommend a similar product to them in your video, all right, they are likely to do what? To go and purchase. Because in that situation, you have built trust over years. And when people purchase that product you are recommending, you make more money. Whether the product is available on Amazon or other platforms, they'll be like, yeah, I've known this guy for years. I've known this lady for years. He has been a content creator on Facebook or on YouTube, and that's extra money. So if you're a self-publisher who has been focusing more on Amazon KDP only without thinking about having a platform, it's very important. It's very, very important to have a platform like Facebook page or YouTube channel. It will help you make more money in so many ways. All right. Okay, some authors have what you call authors websites, and in this video I want to compare both. All right, I want to compare YouTube channel and Facebook channel, with author's website. All right. It's not bad to have author's website, but there is a reason why I prefer YouTube channel and Facebook page over this particular one. One is because most times people don't know you is unless you recommend them through your book to go to your website. I get it. That means they have to buy your book first before they get to your website. Or if you have author's page, you tell them, okay, maybe when they click on your name, they'll get to your author's page. From your author's page, they get to your website. That's the long process. But why Facebook and YouTube have upper hand is because these are big brands. If you publish something on your website, maybe you publish a title on importance of real estate, and I have that same title, importance of real estate, on my YouTube channel or on Facebook. When somebody searches on Google, that particular title on Google, you will see that the one on Facebook and YouTube will appear first before your own. Why does it happen? Yeah, for somebody who are not who is not tech savvy, you may not understand it. Let me explain to you. The reason why that happens is because some websites are judged based on the number of contents in them and credibility. You're just a person, nobody knows you that much. But this brand, YouTube, is worldwide recognized and they have a lot of content on them. So they're going to rank more than your own author's website. Likewise, Facebook is a big brand that have credibility and have stood the test of time over the years. So people are likely to get to those places, YouTube or Facebook, than your own. And these two sites are going to be ranked higher than your own. So these are the reasons why you need a Facebook page or a YouTube page. All right, YouTube web channel built on existing brand that have good name already, and then gain the visibility you need, make more sales, and make more money in return. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. All right, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel. If you have questions on this video, I hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. Okay, you can watch this video here to learn more on how to create A plus content on Amazon KDP. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.